Hello viewers, in this video I will show you how to remove Yahoo search from Chrome. So if you want to remove Yahoo search from your Google Chrome, so enjoy the video till the end. First of all, you have to go to your browser, then you have to click on the three dot or the top right side, then you have to click on setting. After that you will get this option will come. From here you have to go in the bottom part of this page, then you will see the search engine option. Okay, from here if you click here the Google, then you will see the other search engine option here. From here you can check the all other things is available here, but if you want to remove, then you have to click on manage search engine, this option here. Then you will get the all default search engines come. From here if you click on this, as you want to remove Yahoo, then you have to click on the three dot option. After that, if you remove from the list, so if you remove from the list, then click on the remove from the list, then it will remove from here the back side, and after refresh you will see here the Yahoo option is not available. So in this way you can remove Yahoo search from Google Chrome. That's it. If this video help you out, please consider leaving a like and let me know in the comments if you have any question. Have a good day.